Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back and I hope that you are all fine, everyone's just fit for it. So let's fix the printer error 0x00000709 issues accessing shared printer. तो ये error आ रहा है यार just because of some updates. So let me show you how it's look like. So when you right click on it and click on the connect button, it will appear connect to printer is just fail, and when you try to open it with double tap, it will show you a different error. So let's fix it, and let me show you how to do that. Simply just click on OK and right click click on the Windows icon and click on the settings, and here you just click on the Windows update. After here just pause updates for 7 days, just click on it and update your all Windows activity. So you can see here it's just now updating. Okay, now just view update history, and here you can see KB5006670. So we need to uninstall this, so click on the uninstall updates, and here we just find the 0x000070 KB5006670, the update file. We need to uninstall it, so find it here, just right click on it and uninstall, or just click on the uninstall icon button, and after that just click on the restart now. So your PC will restart, take a restart, and it will fix. Okay, now here just click on again and just go into the network, and then choose the username that you are using, and then simply right click on the printer option and click on the connect. It will fix 100%. Okay, I hope now it's working 100% for you. Now your turn is hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends, and see you with another new tutorial. Take care. Allah Hafiz.